so glad you're over your cold. Thank you.
Isn't this nice, Betty? The Flintstones and the Rubbles all under one roof.
Yes, but Wilma, this is such an imposition. Are you sure it's okay with Fred?
Oh, absolutely. As a matter of fact, he thinks it was his idea.
Hey, Freddie, couple of cool ones.
Oh, yeah. How about it, Barn? Flintstones and Rubbles under one roof.
Yeah, but Fred, you know, it's only temporary.
It better be. It better be. Oh, Barn, I admire you. You've lost your job, your dignity, but not your sense of humor. Hey, Barn, you like your steak rare?
Yeah.
That one's yours.
Hey! Hey, stop! Come here, you purple rodent!
Hey, Barn! Don't forget to wash that off before you eat it.
Hey, come